Next function of central bank is bankers to the bank. The third function. Bankers to the bank. Bankers to the bank means central bank also children act as a banker to the other banks for the commercial bank. Whenever commercial bank needs any financial help, central bank gives them loan. Whenever commercial bank needs any type of advice, financial advice, any type of advice, central bank helps them. The central bank also work as a banker's bank. It as we deposit our money in this commercial bank, we take loan, everything activity of commercial bank also done with the central bank. So central bank also help the commercial bank in such manners, and also helping the commercial bank with very important feature, that is discounting of bills of exchange. I have already explained you about discounting of bills of exchange, children. Basically, this discounting of bill of exchange is done by the importers and exporters, and that's why central bank indirectly helps the commercial bank in discounting of bills of exchange. Now, one more thing which is very important in this bankers bank, central bank also keeps some amount, some ratio of initial deposits of commercial bank with them, which is known as reserves. Basically, children, there are two type of reserve. One is known as CRR and another is known as SLR. CRR is cash reserve ratio. This is cash reserve ratio. And SLR is statutory liquidity ratio. Every commercial bank in India, every commercial bank has to keep a certain part, a certain ratio of their deposits with central bank, which is known as CRR. Every commercial bank, whatever money they earn, I have already told you in credit creation, you have seen it, that when the CRR is 20%. So every commercial bank has to keep some reserve with central bank in form of cash, that is known as CRR. And every commercial bank has to keep a certain amount with them in the form of cash with itself, in the form of cash and gold and securities, which is known as SLR. So central bank work as a keep some amount as a reserve also, and time to time central bank give financial help to the banks also. So that's why it is known as the bankers bank. Then comes the next function, lender of last resort. Here lender of last resort means, children, whenever commercial bank need money, need funds, whenever commercial banks are in short of funds, and they are not getting money from any other sources, ultimately finally they go to the central bank and take loan or take financial help from the central bank. This is the last institution, this is the last place from where they can easily get the loan. That's why it is known as lender of the last resort. Okay, so central bank gives them loan, and central bank also helps them by discounting the securities, by giving the loans, and that's why central bank gives loan to them at that time of financial crisis. So that's why the central bank known as the lender of last resort. These points, children, these functions can come separately also. Explain the functions of following functions: lender of last resort, bankers bank. Or it can come, why central bank is called lender of last resort, why central bank is called bankers bank. Like this the question can also come. So do not leave any point, just learn and understand each and every point and explain the points also properly. Do not only write the introduction part, it is work as an agent, how that function is performed by the central bank. You have to explain this also in each and every function. Then only your answer will be complete. So today I am only teaching you till here, till point number 4. Then further points I will teach you in our next class. The further functions, just go through all these functions and please highlight all the things whatever we have done that in fiscal agent. You have to make all the three instruments. You have to explain three instruments. Whenever you are here talking about bankers bank, you have to explain about cash reserves. Okay. Please underline the words, keywords in your book. Please underline the lines also. And do not leave a single thing in this chapter. This is a very important chapter, especially for your case studies and for your long questions. You will get so many long questions and case studies from this chapter back. Okay. Bye. Take care of yourself.